In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get TikTok ads receipt. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your TikTok ads account to export a clean receipt for your records, reimbursements, or tax reporting. Start by opening your browser and heading to the TikTok for Business website. On the top right, you'll see the login button. Click that to open the sign-in page. Enter your account credentials and then click Login. Depending on your security settings, you may need to follow on-screen prompts such as a verification code or a quick confirmation. Go ahead and complete those steps and click Confirm to finish signing in. Once you're in, you'll land in the Ads Manager environment. If you see an option labeled Ads Manager or a sample Ads Manager entry point, click it to open your dashboard. From here, look toward the top navigation and find the Tools menu. Click Tools and then choose Payments from the drop-down. If you arrive at a general billing overview, select Payments again to open the main payment center. Inside the payment center, locate the transaction section and click it. This is where all your account's charges, top-ups, and invoice details live. Before you export, it's a good idea to set the correct date range, currency, and any filters you need so the receipt includes only the transactions relevant to your report. If you manage multiple ad accounts or billing profiles, make sure the right one is selected at the top of the page. When everything looks correct, click Export. TikTok will prepare a file with your transaction details. You may be prompted to choose a format like CSV or XLSX. Pick the one your accounting tool or spreadsheet program handles best. The file will download to your computer and you can rename it and store it with your other bookkeeping documents. This exported file functions as your receipt and typically includes the transaction dates, amounts, payment method, and any tax details provided by your billing profile. A couple of quick tips to save time. Keep your business name, address, and tax ID up to date in your billing settings so those details appear correctly on your receipts, and always double check the date range before exporting to avoid missing charges at the start or end of a month. If you don't see the Transactions tab or Export button, make sure your user role has billing permissions. Try refreshing or clearing your cache, and ensure your interface language and region are set correctly. If issues persist, reach out to TikTok Business Support. That's it. Visit the site, log in, go to Tools, open Payments, head to Transactions, and export your receipt. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.